Before gluing, we always recommend cleaning your surface. In this case, we are using our 517 cleaner with our prep stick so that we don't remove our chalk line. You may also use denatured alcohol or acetone, as they do not leave any residue and do not stain your concrete. When using WeatherGrip, we recommend doing an 1/8 inch to a 1/4 inch bead depending on the width of your reveal, going down the entire length of it. Now that our glue is on the reveal, we roll it over and get ready to place it. It's recommended that you start at one end of the reveal, working it down the length to keep it on the line. Now, since it's not an instant grab, you can adjust as you go along. Once the reveal is roughly in place, apply a firm pressure. It is recommended that once you've placed it and pushed down, that you walk the length of it and make sure it's where you want it to be. Remember, firm surface means a bigger footprint of glue, which ensures holding. When gluing double chamfer, you put 2 beads down the entire length, from 1/16 inch to an 1/8 inch, then compress firmly. Don't let cold, wet conditions stop you from gluing down. WeatherGrip is designed for all conditions, even withstanding water. Yep, plenty of water. Using best practices, we clean the slab before we glue. Using our prep stick makes this task easy. As you can see, another benefit to cleaning your slab, when there's standing water, it keeps the water at bay from where you're going to glue. We call this the Moses effect. Once you've applied the glue to the reveal, push it down just like before. We again want to emphasize, putting pressure on it and spreading the glue underneath the reveal is the best way to ensure success. Once compressed, WeatherGrip is good to go and will cure even underwater. WeatherGrip is also great in securing forming blocks in extreme climates. To glue these, place a 1/16 inch bead around the perimeter of the forming block. This creates a vacuum effect and prevents other contaminants from penetrating in. When doing this, it's important to use glue-grade materials such as MR50 MDF, plastics, or most metals. Ensure it is where you want it, then stand on it, compressing the glue to ensure its placement. Once your walls are stood, it's time to remove it. Using a floor scraper, go at a diagonal using a cutting or slicing motion. Once the reveal is removed, residue can then be scraped off the floor using a floor razor or a scraper. Typically, any residue left on the floor after this is broken down by UV exposure.